So conflicted on this one. So conflicted. Do I like it or do I not? That's what we'll find out here soon. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Orange, Connecticut. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns. Any and everything down below. Have you been there? Yeah, I need to do a video on it. Yeah, sure do. But until then, you can visit them at PEZ.com, and they have a virtual tour going on. That's kind of cool. Oh, so conflicted with this PEZ dispenser. As you can see, it is a holiday dispenser. And as you can see, there is the crystal. Is this the Coca-Cola bear? No. Does he have a double nose in there? Is that his mouth? I don't know. Regardless, when you look at the presents, see that in there? That is in the package. And then when you go up alongside the back, see this line in through here? There is a piece of tape in this package. See the cardboard down here in the bottom? And that is actually attached to tape that is along the back side of this dispenser and goes up here to the top. I'm so conflicted. Because I don't like tape. But I love this error. I mean, maybe if there's a way I can forgive Pluto, maybe there's a way I can forgive tape and start to enjoy it. But you listen here, tape. You get out of line, I'm gonna cut ya! Cut you bad. Still conflicted. But cool air. So until next time...